Black Soil by Lily. A nice family in the Brazilian rainforest was digging in the black soil. Not all the families in the rainforest had the black soil, but this family did. This nice family had a secret that had been passed down from their ancestors. They knew how to make charcoal. They knew how to mix charcoal with urine, seaweed, and dead fish to make something that was good for the soil. They dug holes and added the charcoal to make the soil. In the end, they grew lots of yummy food. The nice family shared their ancestors' secret with everyone in the world. Now everyone can grow yummy food and have the black soil. The end.